Hi friends, this is Manish. Welcome to our YouTube channel Wave Sutra, Waves Don't Lie. And today we are going to review a stock which was uploaded on our YouTube channel Mazdock Shipbuilder around 9 months ago. So let's see what was told at that time and what is happening now. So friends, this is the chart of Mazdock Shipbuilder and this is the weekly chart. And you can see that the listing price was 135 around, and from that listing price stock has given a 1300% return. And since when I identified the third wave, it has given a 386% rally from that price, and that price was 390 around. And in the last video uploaded around 8 to 9 months ago, I was expecting a correction, a wave 4 correction, and the price was here near 625. And I was expecting a wave 4 correction from here and slightly from upward, and we can see that from their prices have gone towards the level of 900 zone, and then there was a 3 wave correction as a wave 4. I told that in the correction you must buy this stock for a 4-digit target, and you can see here that this is the 3 wave correction as a wave 4, and after that there was a huge rally, and from that level also price has given 200% return. Okay, so what is this current structure? So this is an impulse wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this is wave 5. So at this time there was only 3 wave up move, and therefore I was expecting a 3 wave correction on the downside as a wave 4, which was limited to this. And I was also not expecting a very sharp correction, and I was expecting a very shallow correction. And you can see here that after this level prices have retraced around 23% Fibonacci retracement level, and from there is an impulsive structure is unfolding, and currently prices are trading near 1864 zone. All right, so let us review the complete structure. From the bottoms there was a wave 1 in a very rare pattern which is known as the expanding leading diagonal, and which consists of 5 waves: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This is the only wave in which wave 4 can enter into the territory of the wave 1, that is a diagonal wave, and diagonal waves are also a motive wave. Okay, so if it is a leading diagonal it is a motive wave, and if it is an ending diagonal it is going to end the structure. So this is a leading diagonal, and that's of a kind of expanding pattern. So this is an expanding nature leading diagonal, and this was my expectation that there was a 3 wave correction. So we can take this 3 wave correction like A, B, C as a wave 2, and this whole as a complete wave 3. But for degree wise I am taking this whole correction, that is this is W, this is X, and this is Y. So this is a WXY pattern which is completing this correction of this up move of this leading diagonal. So this whole structure from 8th of November 2021 to this 20th June 2022 was a wave 2 for me. And after prices has given the breakout above this level, that is the level of 344 zone, I identified this stock and informed everyone that this is the starting of a third wave, and which should go towards 161.8% extension level. So let us see what was happened at the time, how much this wave has traveled. So if you see here that I have projected the extension level, and this third wave has gone towards the 200% Fibonacci extension level. Okay, and from there prices have retraced in a 3 wave correction and a shallow corrective pattern as a wave 4, which was 23% of this leg. Okay, and from there was again impulsive rise on the upside. So this whole structure has completed as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whenever we see a 5 waves on the upside, there should be a 3 wave correction on the downside. For example, look at this is a 5 wave move. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, there should be a 3 wave. So this is W, this is X, and this is Y. So this is a 3 wave correction or a combination of a 3 wave. If we take only this portion, we can say this is the 3 wave correction, but we are taking combination pattern. So this is W, X, and Y. So the whole combination pattern of 333 is a corrective wave, and again there is a 5 wave structure on the upside. So if we go to the internals of this wave, we can find out 5 distinct waves: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And again this is the 5 waves, there should be a 3 wave. So this is a 3 wave correction on the downside, A, B as a triangle or a complex wave, and you can see here that another C wave, or you can treat this also a WXY. So this is also a three wave or combination of three wave structure, corrective structure, and after that we are again into an impulse. So if I go to the internals, so this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3, this is wave 4, and this is wave 5. It might possible that this whole structure is wave 3, and there will be a fourth and fifth is still pending. So whatever the case, this stock is in the last wave of the impulse, that is the fifth wave, okay, as per my view. Because many people will tell that this structure that I have ended here, may be possible people will take this as a wave 2, okay, and they can count this whole structure as a wave 3, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So it may be possible that people will count this as a wave 3, still wave 3, and wave 4 and wave 5 is still pending on the upside. But for me, I may be wrong, but I am expecting this as a wave 2, that my wave 2 has completed here, and this structure, whole structure, is a wave 3. And after that we got a fourth wave, and this is in the last wave of the 5 wave impulse. As we have seen here, after 5 waves there is a correction, 3 waves, again 5 waves, there is a correction, 3 waves, again this is the 5 waves. So if we get a shallow correction, we can say that this part was wave 3, and this is the wave 4. All right, but if we get a deeper correction, so we can say that the wave 1 has ended here, and we are in a long term corrective phase for a deeper correction on the downside. So let us assume that my wave 5 is going to complete near 2000 zone. All right, and from the starting from the datum level, so what we can expect, if this is whole of wave 1, so we can expect a larger degree wave 2 on the downside, and the minimum percentage, minimum Fibonacci level should be 38%. All right, so that will be a bold call here, that after reaching to the 2000 level, prices may again fall to these zone, that is the level of 790 or 800 zone. Okay, so that will be a later part of the discussion, because as of now there is no evidence that stock has been topped out or made a top, and there is no evidence that stock is going to fall. So what is the key level we can maintain here? So we can maintain the level of 1300. As long as prices are trading above the level of 1300, they can stretch more on the upside, and as soon as the stock prices break this channel, once this channel has been broken, we can say that this trend that was developing from these bottoms has ended, and there is a 5 wave structure on the upside, and there should be a 3 wave on the downside. So how this 3 wave should be? So it can be a zigzag correction, or any of the pattern of Elliott wave. So it can be like this is a wave, and again there should be a B wave on the upside, and in a very corrective nature, and there should be a C wave which can take the stock towards the level of 38%, which is 780 zone or 800 zone. And these all are only assumptions, all right, because there is no evidence that stock has stopped out. So if you have this stock in your portfolio, you can think about booking its partial profit, and remaining with the rest of the quantity. So this is all about my view on this stock, Mazdock Shipbuilder. So let's see another stock which is unfolding as an impulse, and that stock is Polycab. So friends, this is the stock of Polycab, and this is the 2-day time frame chart, and we can see here that this is unfolding as an impulse from the bottoms of 2050, and we can count this as a wave 1, this whole structure as an expanded flat wave 2, and this is unfolding as a wave 3, circle degree wave 3. So this is wave 1, this is wave 2, again in the wave 3, 1 2 3, we have only 3 waves. So we can see a slight shallow correction, and then again on the upside, which will conclude the this wave third of third, which is the strongest wave of all the 5 wave structure. So this is the third of third. It is going to complete in the zone of here 5500 zone, or maybe possible on the upside, most likely on the upside. So let us see here what is happening in the third wave. So this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is wave 3 is still unfolding as a 5 wave structure, and we can see here that wave 3 is going to conclude near the zone of 5800 or 6000 zone. all of a 6,000 zone. So this is the very strong impulse, so you can buy this stock on the current level also, and the minimum key level we can maintain is 36,140 zone as your stop loss, because this is unfolding is a third of a third wave. All right, in this also you can count 1 2 3, and this is 4 and 5 is still pending. Okay, so after the 5 wave structure it will complete only the circle degree wave 3, and there will be a shallow correction again which can complete the wave 4, and this wave 5 is still going to on the upside. So this stock has much higher potential on the upside, and you can think over it about including this stock on in your portfolio. On a higher degree level, I am expecting this as a wave 5 on the very higher degree cycle wave 5, and it's not necessary that is it is going to complete here only. Okay, it may be possible this is the wave 1 of wave 5. All right, so that will be a later part of discussion, but as of now in the short term and medium term, this stock is going to perform very aggressively up, and it can reach 6,000 level very easily. And from current level, if you got a dip near the level of 4400 or 4350, you can buy this stock for this target zone of 6,000, which can come very early, and this is a 40% move on the upside. And if you buy it from the current level, so again it is more than 30%. Okay, if you buy on CMP also, so there is a lot of potential on the upside on this stock, and you can buy this stock for medium to short term investment purpose. Again, this is my view on this stock, and this is not a buying and selling recommendation on any of the stocks. This is my view regarding the wave analysis, how the waves are going to unfold in the future, and how the stock has performed as per the wave theory. So if you want to buy this stock, you must consult your financial advisor before buying and selling of any of the stock which I talk on my YouTube channel. All right, so this is all about in today's video, and we will meet in the another video with the more exciting explanation and educational video regarding wave theory. And remember, waves don't lie.